I got this one's like a free one from Jackalope. So I'm gonna try this. And it's too sour. Let's see. Oh my gosh! It went from really sweet. It went from really sweet to sour, and then it went from explosive. I was like, oh, so now I'm gonna try this, the peach one. Oh my gosh, the minis. Oh my gosh, it's so sour. Okay, it's the same one, but it's so good. Do you want this one? Deacon, do you want this one, Boo Boo? I just wanna taste it. I don't really like Mr. Bar, but it's not bad. I'm gonna eat that. I don't like this because it's so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. It went from really sweet to sour. Oh. But it's like it's really good. That's good. See? You stopped to help me earlier when I locked my car. Oh! Okay, that's fine. That's all the little explosives is inside. See? So I'm wondering, where is this explosive? It's inside. That's like. It's rare in this world, someone like you hard to find. Let's meet at that diner, the one just down the way. I'll wear my sundress, blue as a June sky day.